Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are making chicken pizza. So first we will prepare dough for that. I have taken here white flour, 500 grams of white flour. Then I'm adding baking powder, baking soda, salt and sugar. Everything I have mixed in this. Okay, just add first this one, then just mix with your fingers very well. Then I'm going to add oil. So just 1 tablespoon of oil I'm adding. Then mix this well. So just rub with your fingers like this. But we are going to make a soft dough for this. Then we will add curd. I have taken curd here. Just add 1 tablespoon of curd. So since we are not adding yeast, we are adding curd for this. Okay, mix it well. So your curd should be at room temperature. Don't add cold curd. Take out of the refrigerator if you are keeping it in the refrigerator. Take out from that and keep it at room temperature and then add water and make a dough, soft dough. So as you can see, our dough is ready now. See, it's soft. Now just apply little oil over this and cover and close and keep it. Close the lid of the box, whichever box you are keeping. Then we'll do the second. So our next preparation for pizza, chicken pizza, is we are marinating chicken. So for that I have taken small pieces of chicken. Then we need ginger garlic paste. Then turmeric we need, zira powder, salt, then black pepper and red chili powder, then lemon, then we need little oil, and then we need mustard paste. Okay, so first we'll add squeeze lemon here. Just squeeze a bit of lemon. So it depends on how much quantity you have taken chicken. It depends on that. If you have taken more, you can add more lemon. Since my quantity is less, so I'm adding less lemon. Then just rub like this. Mix it well. Then add all the masalas together. Mix it well with your fingers. So we will add curd at the end. Okay. Then just add little oil, very little oil. This much is enough. So all the masalas will coat well with the oil. So we are adding this oil and it helps for the marination also. Then add some mustard paste. So this gives a good taste when you add mustard paste. So see, I had washed the chicken well and drained the water completely. So you should do the similar manner how I have done. Then add curd to this. At the end we are adding. Just add curd and mix it well. So our marination preparation is done. Now we have to keep it for marination for about 30 minutes. So our chicken is well marinated. We had kept for marination for 30 minutes. Okay, now we'll cook the chicken. I have kept kadai for preheating. So we'll add some oil. You can add little oil to this. Okay, then add this chicken. So half of the chicken you can add at a time. So cook it well. So stir it well. Okay, no need to add much oil because you have added when we marinated also. So just fry it well. So our chicken has well cooked. Okay, this much you have to cook it. You can off the stove and we'll do the pizza preparation.
3.
So now I will do our dough preparation, pizza dough. See, you can see it has doubled. Okay, now we'll take some dough and roll it like this. So roll it with your fingers well. Then this much is enough. Dust some flour. So if it is good, you can just press with your fingers also, like this. Or using a rolling pin, you can roll it well. See, this much size is enough. Just press the sides well. Okay. Now what you have to do, just press with your fingers like this at the corners. So you can do like this also. Okay, the idea is it should form like this. Okay, press it well, all the sides. Then with the help of a knife you can make like this. Okay, then I have preheated my tava. So place the pizza dough, flattened pizza dough here. Okay, then now just turn it this way. Just cook for 1 minute, then immediately take out and apply pizza sauce. This is homemade pizza. So in the description box you can find the link to make this homemade pizza sauce. Just apply generously. Then I have taken here some vegetables. This is capsicum, tomato and onions. So place this. Okay, and even I am placing this is chicken, so what we had made now, just place it well. So now over to this you can add the cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. So add generously. So now allow this to cook for 2 minutes. First 2 minutes you have to see, then you can cover it and cook for 5 minutes.
3.
So while it is being cooked, we'll roll one more pizza dough. So just roll it like this. I have dusted some flour, white flour, to roll it. So the dough should be soft enough. It becomes soft if you keep it, if you just make a dough and keep it for 1 hour like that. So I had kept it for 1 hour. So the dough became like this soft, and we have added curd also. That is also one reason to become the dough soft. So you can see our pizza is cooked, tava pizza, chicken pizza. So now we can remove this. So the base is also well cooked. Just take out and keep the other one. So keep the other one. So just press with your fingers like this. Okay, for 1 minute you will be cooking, and then you can flip and cook the other side. Then immediately you will just flip this side and apply the pizza sauce again. So you can apply like this. Keep the flame low. Then so keep the vegetables of your choice you can take. I have taken here onion, then capsicum and tomato, thinly sliced tomato. Okay, then finally I'll be keeping chicken. Just keep the chicken like this. Then over to this, add the cheese. So if you grate and keep it for a long time, it becomes sticky. So just apply this and cover some plate and keep it. So our second pizza is also ready. You can see it has well cooked. The cheese has started to melt also. Okay, now I will just cut and show you this pizza. So our chicken homemade pizza is ready to be served. See what a good color we have got. We have prepared everything at home. I didn't buy even the pizza sauce also. I prepared at home. Okay, so you can serve this with any of your choice sauce, chili sauce or your tomato sauce. See how good it is looking. So this is how, and one more pizza I'll show you. So we have made this also. So you can cut this and make pieces out of it. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel and share my recipe with your friends and family. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.